Hello, and welcome to this video. Full disclaimer, Transpennine Express gave us tickets to ride their Nova 3 from York to Scarborough, and this was originally meant for a group channel, which has since been deleted. Apart from that, enjoy the video.
Hello! Hello! It's us from the UK Train Spotters, and we are doing something exciting. We're here in Scarborough, stood by a Nova 3, hauled by a Class 68.
And we're riding in first class with Transpennine Express. We hope you enjoy the video.
And now it's time for some Transpennine Express Nova facts. Transpennine operate 3 Novas. The one we are riding today is the Nova 3, which is a Class 68 with a rake of 5 Mark 5A coaches. The Nova 1 is a 5-car Class 802, built by Hitachi, with a max speed of 125 miles an hour. And the Nova 2 is a Class 397, also with 5 coaches, and that also has a max speed of 125 miles an hour. Altogether, Transpennine Express operate 4 types of trains. This includes all 3 Novas and the Class 185. The Nova 1s work Edinburgh to Liverpool via the East Coast Main Line. The Nova 2s operate from Liverpool and Manchester Airport to Glasgow and Edinburgh via the West Coast Main Line. And the one we are riding today, the Nova 3, operates from Scarborough to Liverpool via York. The Class 185s work local services between Hull and Manchester and Cleethorpes and Manchester. They also operate services between Redcar and Manchester Airport.
So on Transpennine Express in first class, you have seats made out of this very nice comfortable material. As you can see, we have a nice TPE branded head cushion, which is very comfortable, and the seats have 2 very comfy armrests. Also, as an added bonus, they recline. Now I was already reclined. As you can see, they're adjustable by holding this little button down here. I'm also going to point out underneath the armrest we have a standard UK plug socket and a USB port for charging mobile devices.
Right, so we've done first class, we're sat in first class, but we are now going to go through into standard class on your Nova. So let's go through into standard class. Into standard class, we are going to review one of the seats. Let's just sit here. So you've got your nice TPE maquette, you've got your under the seats you've got a plug socket, you've also got seat reservations like before, and armrest that drop down. So all in all, Transpennine Express, very nice comfortable seats, and overall standard class is pretty good as well. We're now at Malton, just getting a quick picture at Malton.
This is the Transpennine Express service to Liverpool Lime Street. The next stop for this service will be York.
Malton. Right, here's your standard class toilet, non-accessible On TPE, you've got a flush button, which flushes the toilet. You've got a toilet, you've got toilet tissue, you've got a nice sink with lovely soap, water and dry facilities, and you've got a litter bin, which is locked. It just oh, and then you've got a button to lock the door as well. A locking handle that locks the door, and it shuts like that. Arriving at York, so I'm just going to leave first class. I'm going to say goodbye first class, and we're going to walk towards the door. Just double checking I've not left anything. We're going to walk towards the door, and yeah, we're saying goodbye to TPE first class with thanks to TPE. Brilliant first class. It has been such a fun ride, and we're now on the final approach into York.